Meet Doysis-M, the compact powerhouse built to adapt and engineered to perform. In just 5 square meters, it delivers lightning-fast packaging across solids, powders, liquids, and gels, all on one modular platform. Switch between formats in under 15 minutes, from Doypacks and sachets to cartons, cans, tubs, even glass. The Doysis-M begins with the in-feed of pre-made Doypacks, handling up to 200 bags per minute, depending on product type and packaging size. After in-feed, the bags are transported to the opening station, where their position is first verified before precise opening from both the top and bottom, ensuring optimal access for accurate filling. Integrated bag blowing units fully expand each bag, eliminating folds and creases to ensure a clean and precise filling process, a fundamental step for smaller formats and high-accuracy dosing. After a final position and integrity check, the bags move to the modular filling units. Whether you're dosing solids, powders, liquids, or gels, the Doysis-M handles it all with speed and precision. Swapping between product types is seamless, thanks to our flexible plug-and-play dosing units, designed for quick changeovers and minimal downtime. After filling, each bag undergoes a product in seal and emptiness check before being transferred to the sealing unit. Heating and cooling units ensure every bag is sealed to perfection, delivering consistently high-quality packaged goods. The completed packages are then transferred to the outfeed conveyor, consistently aligned and ready for downstream processing or packing. Doypack-size changeovers take less than 5 minutes. Simply select a preset recipe via the HMI, and the system automatically adjusts dosing parameters and gripper settings. Doysis-M brings together flexibility, speed, and precision, all in one compact platform.